Alright y'all, I'm down here at a small pond and doing a little bit of fishing today. I got permission from the owner and I'm going to try to catch a bass. I have not caught a bass this year and I'm itching to catch one. So I didn't fish at all last year. I was too busy playing shows. Like I said, if you watch my first video, I'm a full-time country singer. I have albums on iTunes. You can go check me out. Got music videos. I'm on Facebook. That's what I'm known for. I'm also a part-time videographer. I shoot weddings and music videos and things like that. Yeah, I decided to put my camera knowledge to use and film my fishing adventures. So sometimes they're not adventures, but I like to fish places that people don't usually fish. Ponds like a mile in the woods and stuff like that. Hopefully though we can catch a bass and I can catch my first bass for the year. I still have not caught one. Just gonna throw this paddle tail Senko out here and see if I can get some bites. I'm hoping for a fish on the first cast. That would make me super happy. I can see fish down here at the bank. It's just so muddy out there. Man, the frogs are kicking up some noise. Great. That's the thing about this pond, it's small. I just threw into the freaking, on the other side. That's my only Ned rig. Come on. Come on, man. Well, I'm not swimming for it, so. Really. I'm gonna try a little top water action since all my lures are staying on the top anyways. Oh, something swiped at it. This might be the money. Got this booyah frog on there. Man, it got swiped again. These bass are too small to even get it. They're popping it though, man. Oh man, God, I had that one. I know y'all had to have seen that. Top water might be the ticket today. Still no fish. I've been fishing down here for about 45 minutes. I don't know, I'm probably just using the wrong presentation. Had a few topwater hits, but I think they were just too small for me to be able to set the hook. But yeah, I'm gonna keep fishing. Hopefully we'll get a catch on camera. Y'all stay tuned. I don't care if I catch anything or not. I'm still having a blast. Just being out here on the water. Throwing this one more time. One more time. Still no fish, y'all. I've been down here for a while now. I might just not be throwing the right thing. Still having fun regardless, and still happy to be out here making videos. So make sure you like and subscribe to the video, even if I don't catch anything. I guess give me some tips in the comments on how to catch a bass, because I can't remember apparently. I had one strike at it when I cruised up the side of this bank right here. This thing is so heavy. I feel like if I turned the camera off, I would catch a bass. It's the camera that's making me suck. Beautiful cast. Oh, I had a little bitty bass chasing after it, running behind it. Guess it thought it was its friend. It's probably bigger than most of the bass in here. Sadly, no fish today.